Hi, Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here today to show you how I did a really quick packaging for my customer thank yous this month. So I folded them slightly differently. So these are our gold striped gift bags. I'm just bringing them in here. Get them in a pack of 10 striped gift bags, and they make a really simple thank you gift. So I'll just show you what I've put inside. So I've done I like to give a little selection of some of our sort of embellishments. So I cut a bit of window sheet up, and this is the pinks set of washi tape. So I think there's about a metre of each on there, and these are our glitter gems. So I've just split a pack between people there. I've split up the gold and silver doilies and our ordinary doilies there, and then I've done these are our ordinary dimensionals and these are our mini dimensionals. I just think sometimes it's really nice just to have little bits, so you can get a little taster of some of the other products on hand, and also a Winker Stella, which isn't going to be packaged because I think that's a really silly way of packaging it. Anyway, so that's just going in the parcel. So this is being packaged. So I've got what do they call it? Cellophane bag here. The ones that I use to put my cards in when I sell my cards, and then that should just fit in nicely. If I could actually find the opening. There we go. So just slip that down like so, and then I will fold that over a tad, and I will take this as a strip. Do you know, hands aren't working. Strip there to take off, and then fold that down. Okay, and then that goes inside one of my gold bags. I had them here a second ago to show you. There we go. So and these are really nice. So if you're doing kiddies parties, a nice little goodie bag for taking away, especially if you've got like teenagers. They're just nice and classy, so you could do something like this and put something in it that teenagers might like. So I just fold over once and then fold over a second time. Okay, and then I've got a strip of Whisper White. It's about 6 inches by 2 inches. I'm using the triple banner punch to just flag the end quite nicely, and then I'm using my vertical sayings stamp set. I've got them ready mounted. I was just going to show you the box. Oh, there it is. So love this, and I think it works really well when you're doing something like this, because going vertical. So I'm doing thank you because these are customer thank yous, and I'm choosing the heart tree because I love getting customers, and I love to be able to give back something. So if you use the hostess code, then that enables me to purchase stuff that will allow me to send out a thank you gift, because I share out the stamping rewards. Obviously if you're doing an order that is £150 or more yourself, then don't use the host code, because you qualify for Stampin' rewards all on your own. And it starts at 10% and then goes up depending on the size of your order. Do you know, I never checked. Oh, thank goodness for that. I thought for a moment I'd stamp that upside down. Okay, and then, do you know, Boston Buddies there. Forgot to use it. Got it out. Don't forget to use it. And I forgets. So I bought these lovely little spoons to go in my pots, and then this pot is actually smaller than my old pot, other pots, so it doesn't work, but never mind. I just cut the end off and then put a bit of duct tape over it so that I don't hurt my fingers. Come on. There we go. Oh, I don't need to tap anything off that. Clearly that piece had less static on than the others. I had to use a little brush to brush them off. Right, putting on my heat gun now. There's your warning. Oh, there she goes. Burning my finger under there. There we go. Marvellous. Right, just give that a second to dry. So I've got these binder clips. They are gold binder clips. I've got a little bit of got mini sequin trim. So I'm just going to grab about that much. And the thoughts I had was that you would probably, if you received that, you would probably use that then as a trim on a card. So it is enough, big enough to go around a card. That was kind of the sizing I was going for. And I'm just going to poke that up in between, like so, and then put the tails in, which I've made uneven. Pull them through. Make a little sort of knot thing. Okay, just to give a little bit of extra. Okay, and then I'm just going to fold that over about an inch. You could score it. I might just do that to make it neater. I didn't on the other one and it isn't very neat. If you end up with one that isn't very neat, it's that one, and I'm sorry. So go down about an inch. There we go. You could of course score the whole lot as an inch and then cut them up as 2 inches, which if I thought about it, I'd have done. Can't find my bone folder. That's because I put it away where it belongs. There we go. And then that simply goes over to the edge there, and then I'll stick that on there. So there's just a selection of my customer thank yous. And of course you might have seen my video where I made these little notebooks as well. So that is what people that shop with me this in March will be getting. And I'm also going to send a package like that to the people that joined my team as well, as a little extra. And of course a wink of old Stella. Okay, so if you would like to receive a nice thank you gift from me, then all you have to do is shop with me. Shop with me and I will send you something lovely and scrubby. It does change every month, and the handmade gift that I make will change every month, and I will also send a thank you card as well. Okay, all details of how I made this and how to get stamping rewards will be over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and I'd really love it if you wanted to come shopping with me. Cheers for now.